Assalamualaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear student, it's a time activity about the concept of grouping. So students, open the page number 47 of your book. Count the same objects from given. Write their numbers in front of each object. So students, करना क्या है, कुछ objects दिए गए हैं, इनमें सेम ऑब्जेक्ट्स टोमेटोज, कपकेक, बनाना, कैंडीज एंड एग शामिल है. सो स्टूडेंट वी काउंट हाउ मैनी एग्स आर इन दिस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 eggs. So we put the number 4. How many tomatoes? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tomatoes are there. So put the number 5. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 cupcakes are there. So put the number 3. How many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 bananas are there. How many candies are there? 1 and 2. 2 candies are there. So put the number 2. Tick the group of objects. So students, जैसा कि मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ, 2 or more things make a group. एक या एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों का मजमुआ एक जगह पर ग्रुप कहलाता है. So we have 6 gifts in one place. We have 5 caps in one group. So tick the gifts and caps.